My name is Jake Dunham and I will be doing your resume audit today. Okay, so I've looked over your resume and you've got some good information. I think if we just make a couple of small edits, this will be looking really good. Let me make this look bigger so we can see everything. Okay, so the first thing I noticed is the template that you're using. Nothing necessarily wrong with the template. I would probably just use something a little easier to read, something similar to this. It's very streamlined, it's easy to see everything that you've done, and then the dates are over here, so it's very easy for the employer to look out. Also, you can see right here the information is just right here on the top, very easy for them to see, because they're not going to look at a resume for more than probably 6 to 7 seconds. So you want to make sure that it is simple but professional. So all right, so if we moved all this stuff in the new template, you don't really need an about me. I would probably just leave this whole entire thing off. Again, if we look over here, you can see they don't have an about me or an objective or anything like that. It's not necessary. Okay. The next thing is your education needs to come first. That needs to be the first thing after your contact information. And you can see how they have it right here, education, Southern Arkansas University, with the degree that they are currently pursuing. And then if you haven't graduated yet, you would put expected with the month and the year. They have the GPA there. We really don't recommend that you put the GPA because it will be on your unofficial or official transcripts that the employer will be requesting from you, so you really don't need that. Next, after the education, we would want to put your work experience. This looks good. The only thing I probably would change is I would put, you can see here, oh, I didn't, okay. You can see right here when they put it's experience, internship experience, but it would be the same thing for work experience. You can see that they put the name of the place and where it was located, and then their job title underneath. And then we have the date over here. That way all our dates line up and it's streamlined and cohesive. And then you can see they used the bullet points like you did. However, right here on this first one, you're putting a little, looks like a little summary right here, which you really don't need because you're putting it right here with the bullets, so you could take that out. And when you're doing your bullets, make sure that you're using action words. Like right here, you could say, I would probably say something like just the organized and managed book inventory, assist customers with questions. That's good. Just I would change delivered flowers. You may say right here, you may say something like, instead of dust sweep, rearrange and clean the store, you may say something like, you managed the, I'm trying to think of a good way to put it, just some sort of action word right here that you were helping with the cleanliness of the store, or maybe maintained a clean atmosphere, you know, something like that. And then here again, you don't need this little sentence because you're going to tell them what you did here. You have it in the correct order. You go from most current job to latest job, so that's good. The only thing I would recommend is, like I said, I would do job, place here, job title with the dates over here, and then use your bullets. Okay, and then under your work experience, that's where I would put skills. So your skills would go down here, under here, and you would take your references off because they do not go on your resume. They'll request references if that is something they're wanting for you, or they'll ask for them in the application. So like I said, you have some good information on here. I think that if you just make those small edits that I suggested and maybe go with a little more of a simple, easier to read template, then you'll be looking good. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Thank you.